When people are saying they are frustrated, it may not always be related to the category in which they work, like, for example, the sector, but it can be about their specific function, what they do, like programming versus management. So these small role changes may have a big impact on the stress of the person and how he is feeling. He is creating something, which is very important part of our job or life satisfaction. So we'll go through charts of successful people and we'll see how they are following what their chart says. And based on that, we can then replicate it in our charts and see what is the best now function. Rasi chart is about our physical and also our psychological makeup, but it's mainly about us. Even if it's showing what is going in the relationship between us and the world, it's still based on the reaction we are getting from what's going on in the external world. Like you have a movie and just you have this 50mm lens and you only see the torso and the face of the person. So you can guess by the mimic of the face what's going on. This is only seeing the Rasi chart. But if you want to see what has caused that mimic, could be love, could be grim, could be many things, you have to open a special world of karma. This is very interesting because now, if you think about it, we are crossing the psychological school of astrology. Now we are going into karma. Now, many of you may get a little bit scared when they think about using the additional Varga charts in Vedic astrology, but it's very easy. You just need to open the Dashamsa and I will tell you which houses to check, and we will also go through our 4 examples so you will see exactly what we are doing. Of course, you need to be aware that the pros of using Dashamsa is that you are getting the access to more detailed information. For example, the things like a leave, how to see when you will get a leave in your work, like a few months. In the Rasi chart, it's almost impossible to see. You can see something like stopping working. This is the maximum level of information you can get. But is it caused by the leave? Is it caused by you just getting fired or you resigned? Why you stopped working, right? So even the cause can be seen in the chart. For example, Jupiter related to the 8th house often will show that for the ladies especially, but also for men, one is quitting the job due to the birth of the child. So yes, we need to open the Dashamsa chart. And interesting thing is that there are almost zero information in the astrological text about using the Vargas. This is incredibly surprising, and it is giving you that dependence then on the tradition, on the teacher, because we have a lot information about Vargas when it comes to Shri Achyutananda Parampara. Each Varga will have 12 houses, and of course there is some logical thing, like for example the 4th house in the D10 would show the office, right? Because it's like a place in the work, but there are also less intuitive things to learn when joining a tradition. For example, the 11th house in the D4 is about the loan for property. So to make this useful, especially for the employment, the secret is that we have to see 2nd house, 6th and 10th in the Dashamsa. These houses will show what you are exactly doing, what you are performing, what is your responsibility. Because many times those people can give you some fancy title, but then what are you really doing? It may be giving you some impression, right? If you have weak sun, it will impress you a lot because weak sun are easily impressed. And then what you are really doing. This is the cold information world of the Dashamsa. So we are talking about my client. She is doing this investigation. She is doing research, working abroad. And she's basically controlling, filtering the information related to the human rights. In the Dashamsa, often the job, what you are doing, is seen by the sign. For example, here we see that the Taurus is activated in the 10th, where there is Mars. So she is doing martial activity. She's monitoring, security, checking if everything is right. On which nature, right? What is the company or the playground on which she's working? This is Taurus. Taurus is where Moon exalts. So Moon and Taurus will often show things like human rights organizations, things like that. And of course, we have also Rahu there, which is showing the network, which is showing the research and all that important investigations. And if you think the negative is also the positive here, because the negative is that you need to have the rectified chart. So you need to learn how to rectify the Dashamsa chart based on the past events, like getting a job, being resign, being fired, all that things. It must click nicely. If it clicks in the past, it will click in the future. And then the pros of the Dashamsa is, if it is so sensitive to time, it will only affect me, right? Like people are so into the astrology of the newspapers when 1/12 of the global population, and they think, or they want to think, because we want to be treated, that there is possibility to get some detailed prediction, which is tailored for 1/12 of people in the civilization. So here we not only have the already chart, which is specified to 2-hour span, but even within that, there are 10 options for the job. Therefore, you can see people with the same Rasi chart, they may be doing something completely different. Two people with the same Rasi chart, one person may be working in the newspaper, the other may have business or a freelance related to writing. So those subtle but very important essential differences can only be seen when we are investigating the Dashamsa chart. And sometimes you can work within politics, you will not have moon sun. That means that you are working then within the title, you have all that clothes, you are going to that place. But for example, you may be expert on something, then you will be Jupiterian person. You may be also working within loader, or Mercury may show doing something in the finances. So there are those financial experts which are doing the career life of a government, but their exact function is the major part of what they do is that Mercury job. Here we also have the Jean Mélenchon, first teacher, then politician. We have the sun, and there is this nice exchange between the planets, which is including the Jupiter, related to that 2nd, 6th, and 10th. So he was a teacher and then he converted into politics. Those dynamic yogas like Parivartana, or there are a few other, like for example, Nicha Banga, that one point in the chart is getting stronger by activating other points in the chart, is very important for rectification, because then you have 2 points, or you have a more complex mechanism which you can translate from the real world to the symbolism, or reverse from the symbols to the real world. So that can give you some additional layer of information or confidence, or the tips you can give to your friends, yourself, or clients. And then we have Barbara Smith. I was going through her Wikipedia. Always you have those, what she was doing before the main job. But here it seems that she was straight after studies going to this activism. And 7th house, Mercury, Mars in the Dashamsa. So another trick is that you have to see 7th Lord at what is influencing the 7th Lord for those people who are into the self-employment or business. So you have these 2 rules now, 2nd, 6th, and 10th for employment, and 7th Lord for the Dashamsa. My advice is to first go through Rasi chart and Navamsha, because this will tell you what you were born for, what is giving you personally the fulfillment, the wealth, so the impact. Then if you have the impact, you may see which planet in the Dashamsa are providing that impact. Because if you start from the Dashamsa, you may choose something which will not connect to those cables of fulfillment, the wealth, and nice thing. Because if you start with the Dashamsa, you don't have that guarantee. It will connect to those nice cables in Rasi and Navamsha. So we try to find this nice bridge to get all parts, all important parts of the story. Fulfillment, fortune, and also which place in the office is giving us that. All right, so there you have it. This is the nice recipe to see what is your exact title, what is your exact responsibility. Should you do management or should you do programming? See Venus versus Mercury in the Dashamsa chart. But before all that thing, you need to first join the work sector. And sometimes it's happening through other person. How to see that other person which is providing that bridge, you can see in this video here.